Hey guys, Jason Last Quarter Arcade. Playing a little Grand Theft Auto 4, which I never completed this game. San Andreas, but GTA 4, I never completed it. So I'm gonna complete it. The fat PS3 here. And I bought this. It's kind of weird. So it's called the Ken Hank Pro. You can get it on Amazon. A lot of systems, consoles, a lot of games. Because I like to play in my room. There's just more room, it's more comfortable. But it has this hard drive, which all the games are on it. But it's kind of like you plug it into it and you just kind of like sit it here, which is... And they couldn't have just put it in here, but I guess they couldn't. The controller's not bad. It's not bad. So if you want to go on Amazon, it's the Ken Hank S Pro. The 16, I think it has like 16,000 games or something. But they have other ones too. They have more games, more money too. It's pretty good. It does have a lot of games on it. If you don't want all the systems, it has good stuff on it. I gotta put this downstairs. But I wanted to show you the original Xbox, which I just learned about this, and I feel like a lot of people don't know this. Look at this. They don't even want to go out because it's so hot out. It's like 80 degrees here. Ah, look at you, sir. They have central air, so they're having a grand old time in cool air. But I want to show you this. For the original Xbox, I'm not sure if it... the other Xbox consoles have this as well. I just saw it on a video on YouTube for the original one, which I have two of them. So I have this one, which is the black one, and then I have this one, the Halo edition. So this one works fine. This one works fine as well. I guess the problem with these is the tray sometimes doesn't work. So I'm going to show you how you fix that. So if you have your Xbox and tray doesn't open, right? If I can do it. The light. Right. Where is it? It's up there. So right there, I'm going to show you. Right there. You can't really see it. See that little hole right there? If it's closed and it won't open, Microsoft made it to where if you stick a paper clip in there, it'll open up the tray. But how you fix that situation is you go on Amazon and you search for Xbox tray. It's like a band. So that little band, right? I'm trying to get the light on it, guys. Right. How's this doing this? Right there. You see the band right there? Right there. That little belt or whatever you want to call it. It's like $8 for two of them. You just take a tweezers. My camera's not focusing. And you take that out and you replace it, and then it'll close. Open and close perfect. Now when you do this, open your tray and unplug the Xbox. Because if you shut it off, the tray is going to automatically close. And you won't be able to get it open again. So you're going to replace the belt. Turn on the Xbox. Take the paper clip. Put it in the hole. Open the tray. When the tray is open, unplug your Xbox. Don't shut it off. And leave it open like that. Replace that belt right there. You can see it. It's a small little belt right there. Replace that, and then it'll be fixed. So I'm just waiting for mine from Amazon, and then I'm going to replace it. So, because I didn't know about this, and I just happened to see it on YouTube. So it's a good tip. It's my tech tips for the day. So that's it. That's all. Look at these bums that don't want to be outside. And Momo. Hamo. Brats. So, like, subscribe, comment. A splendid afternoon.